Today's featured pickup truck is a 1972 Chevrolet K20 Cheyenne 4x4 with a 6-inch lift. And I'll read the seller's statement here. He said 72 Chevy 4x4, rebuilt 350 motor, rebuilt turbo 350 transmission, new 6-inch lift, drive shaft shocks, and dual steering stabilizers. New worn hubs, new BFG 35 by 12 by 15 tires. And it sold for $17,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a good looking 3/4 ton pickup truck ready for work or play. But anyway, that's today's featured truck of the day, a 1972 Chevy K20 4x4 Cheyenne with a rebuilt 350 motor and 350 trans with a 6-inch lift and BFG 35 tires that sold for $17,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California.
If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.